Nestled on the 36th floor within the Backshaw building, this two-bedroom apartment offers a captivating open-plan living space and a sprawling wraparound balcony that showcases breathtaking city and river views. Let's take a closer look. Upon entering the apartment, you are immediately struck by the seamless fusion of design elements, creating a stylish and modern living environment. Elevated high above the city, the sophisticated space offers 7 meters of floor-to-ceiling windows, leading to an extraordinary wraparound balcony with breathtaking panoramic city views. The main bedroom impresses with floor-to-ceiling integrated wardrobes and direct access to magnificent balcony. Additionally, an ensuite bathroom offers a freestanding tub where you can enjoy breathtaking views towards the city and a separate walk-in shower. Start your day with a swim in the serene 25-meter outdoor pool or take a hot dip in the jacuzzi. Hit the state-of-the-art gym that offers everything from high-end equipment to personal training. Residents also have access to an exclusive cinema and the Wardian Club Lounge, perched high above the city, the ideal spot for socializing and dining. If that wasn't enough, residents can also access a private business lounge or a separate co-working space. Wardian sits in a dynamic and thriving hub, offering excellent transport links as Elizabeth and Jubilee lines, as well as the LR. The Backshaw building is a modern residential tower within the prestigious Wardian development. If you would like a private tour of this apartment and to experience the lifestyle here, please contact Crown Luxury Homes today.